Let's go, everyone. Today we're unboxing this first alert fire extinguisher. So safety first, everyone. Got to make sure have fire extinguishers in your place so that, just in case. Good to be ready and prepared in case. Oh. Let's see. All right. Okay, let's see what it comes with. Okay, nothing else in there. Set that aside. This looks like some sort of mounting strap. Oh, let's go. Look at this bad boy. Looks dope. Feels super professional. All right, good. Don't need a recharge. Should be like that way since it's new. Instructions: pull pin, aim at base of fire. Depress and squeeze lever, sweep side to side. Dope. Yeah, so it is some sort of way to mount it to the wall. Cool. Hopefully won't have to use it, but glad I'm prepared and ready in case. All right, that's it, everyone. See you next time. Bye.